This is Mike here from Lucky Air, where we're just finishing up an install in Corona, California. We just put in a new inverter heat pump system. This is the future of heating and air conditioning, and I want to tell you about the big changes that are here for the air conditioning industry. As of January 1st, 2025, new federal regulations now require next generation A2L refrigerants. Better for the environment, but also require redesigned systems, updated training, new safety protocols, and rising price on the equipment. Combined with the tariffs on steel, copper, and aluminum, that means higher prices for you, the consumer. So if your AC system is aging, now is the time to act before costs climb even more. Don't wait until it breaks. Be proactive. Call Lucky Air today, where we have certified technicians, expert advice, transparent pricing, and we are committed to your comfort. So call us at 844-4-LUCKY-AIR or visit us at luckyair.inc.com. Thank you.